When producing piston pump wet ends in batches of around 100 units, choosing the right manufacturing strategy is crucial. Let's explore why CNC machining from solid is the industry standard at this scale. CNC machining from billet or bar stock avoids the large upfront tooling costs of casting. It allows rapid transition from CAD to production, often within days. This method supports tight tolerances of plus or minus 0.001 inches, essential for high-pressure sealing. Manifolds and casings are milled from 316 stainless steel or aluminum blocks. Using 4-axis or 5-axis CNC mills, internal fluid galleries and valve seats are machined in a single setup. This ensures perfect alignment, which is critical for pump performance. Pistons and plungers are produced on CNC lathes from bar stock. For a 3-inch pump, plungers typically range from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter. This precision turning supports the tight mechanical fit needed for sealing. After CNC boring, cylinders undergo honing using abrasive stones. This process creates a crosshatch pattern that retains lubrication and ensures the bore is perfectly round within microns. Plungers often receive centerless grinding and mirror polishing for smooth surfaces. In more complex designs with serpentine internal galleries, investment casting or lost wax methods become viable. Though initial mold costs range from $2,000 to $5,000, it can save hours of CNC time per part. However, cast parts always require secondary CNC machining and honing to meet the precision needed for piston pumps. This hybrid approach balances complexity and manufacturing efficiency. Material selection depends largely on the fluid chemistry. Cylinders and manifolds often use 316L stainless steel, machined from solid billets. Standard plungers are made from hardened 420 stainless steel, while high-wear plungers may use solid alumina ceramic. Emerging technologies like laser powder bed fusion, a metal 3D printing method, are gaining traction for producing complex manifolds with optimized internal fluid paths. Yet, post-machining remains essential to achieve smooth, high-pressure sealing surfaces. In summary, for a 100-unit batch of piston pump wet ends, CNC machining from solid combined with precision honing offers the best balance of cost, quality, and lead time. This approach ensures the tight tolerances and high-pressure integrity your pumps require.